Greetings, Max. This is Steve. I hope that you're doing really well. Thank you so much for your practicum update. And, what you're talking about in your first paragraph here really aligns nicely with one of my recent announcements on problem solving. And I think you're doing a really effective job here demonstrating or illustrating literally how math involves problem solving. It involves strategy and gaining an appreciation for the process of solving equations and the learning that comes with that. So I sit here thinking, where were you, many years ago when I was a student? It sounds like you're such a high impact instructor, and I know the students very much appreciate you from, as you mentioned later in your post here, from the evaluation that was mentioned in your evaluation, that the students are asking where you're at. So that's always a good sign. And you are also doing a very successful job at modeling the theory to practice model, if you will. Too many models in there, but really implementing the theory to practice model, if you will, where one of the things in this course that I hope for all the students is that they're able to understand how their formal academic knowledge and training, in other words, the curriculum that they're completing for their degree, how can they use that? How can they directly or indirectly apply concepts and principles and theories from their field of study to the functions and operational objectives, if you will, of their internship or practicum site. And really appreciate you bringing up the concept of academic learning time. And it sounds like this is, I think about the different learning styles people have, and it sounds like this is more based on learning by doing. If I'm misunderstanding that, please correct me. I think that's really, I know when I was studying calculus in college, I remember having to practice it regularly, meaning I was doing it. I wasn't just passively engaged with the material. I was actually doing the homework problems and going to my professor with questions and things like that. And it sounds like that sort of relates to the concept that you're mentioning here, the academic learning time. So again, really appreciate your post and how you have just totally immersed yourself in this experience. And I look forward to continuing to hear about all of your mathematical adventures. So thank you again, and take care.